Cabin filter is located behind the glove box and will require uninstalling the glove box to gain access. Remove the footwell sealing panel. There are 3 screws securing the bottom of the glove box. Remove the screws using a Torx driver. Remove the top 3 screws that secure the glove box assembly. Pry off the glove box assembly. Disconnect the light. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1119C filter into the housing. With its airflow indicating arrow pointing down, reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the glove box light. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Reinstall the bottom screws. Remove the footwell sealing panel. Reinstall the screws. Close the glove box.